Good morning, students. Let us start today's class with Brahmana. First, before going to today's lesson, we will try to recapitulate, discuss what we had studied in the previous class through some question and answers. Why were the officials of Channel Swimming Association shocked? You know, Janki went to England with her parents and immediately she started practicing in the English Channel. The Channel Swimming officials saw Janki for the first time in their life that a physically disabled person was trying to swim across the English Channel. So the officials of Channel Swimming Association were quite shocked looking Janki making the attempt to swim across the English Channel. What did Janki say in her experience about her training in the English Channel? In the English Channel, Janki trained for 3 weeks under the famous channel coach Stella Titter, and in her experience she said they were quite worried about Janki. Why was it decided that Janki would be part of a relative? You know, in course of her training in the English Channel, Janki requested the officials to give her a chance to make a solo attempt, single attempt. But the officials denied, saying that they did not have a special boat to accompany her in course of her swim. So it was decided that Janki would be part of a relative. She would take part in a relay swim. What are the types of swim performed in the English Channel? You know, we have discussed the two types of swim can be done in English Channel. One is solo, means single attempt, and other is relay. Relay means a swim performed by a group of 6 members. Why the members named the relay team as Janki's Maritime Express? We had discussed that Janki was allowed to make a attempt in a relay team. So, in the relay team consists of 6 members. Janki was the only handicapped swimmer in the whole team. Other members, mostly Americans, were amazed to see that Janki could swim. So, in respect or in honor of Janki, they named the relay team as Janki's Maritime Express. This is all about the topic that we had discussed in the previous class. Now let us read the 9th and 10th point today. You observe reading, looking at the pages. The unique attempt was made on 28 July 1992. My fight, said Janki, in course of the swim was against nature. The channel waters are so cold that I needed much more energy than usual to keep my arms moving. Then I had the problem of my legs moving to the left or the right, whichever way the waves were moving. So I really needed a lot of energy. The water was very salty, and when it entered my mouth, I felt sick. And then there were the seaweeds and jellyfish. These fish kept sticking to my body, and I felt very uncomfortable. However, despite these problems, Janki successfully did her share of the relay. She swam for about 2 hours and helped the relay team cross the 36-kilometer channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. In the 9th and 10th point, I have collected some of the difficult words for you. Let us discuss the meaning of the difficult words here. Unique, uncomparable, can't be compared, the single one of its kind, or rare. Example, the unique design of the house is exemplary for every engineer. Much more energy than usual, much more energy or strength she needed that day. Here you see that Janki needed much more energy than usual. Why it is said so? Because every day Janki practiced in the English Channel. But on the day of the event, on the day of unique event, the nature was so opposite, unfavorable, that Janki needed much more energy than she used every day for swimming. Okay, this is called much more energy than usual. A lot of, much. You need a lot of money for the construction of the building. Feel sick means feel ill, but here start vomiting. Seaweeds, a type of plant grow in the sea. Jellyfish, a type of fish seen in the sea which stick like jelly. Here I would like to show you a video. See the jellyfish here. This is the jellyfish you can see here. And these are the seaweeds. Seaweeds you can see, the plants that grow in the sea. And this is also another jellyfish. While swimming in the sea, the jellyfish and the seaweeds created problem on her way to swim across the English Channel. This is another jellyfish. These are the seaweeds, sea plants, the plants that grow in the sea, and you see the jellyfish. Despite, in spite of, look at the example, despite all his problems, he secured first position in the examination. Share. What is share? You see, 36 kilometers. Janki and other 5 members, they had to swim 36 kilometers. So, how many members? Total 6 members. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. So, here, including Janki, all the 6 members have to swim 6 kilometers. That is the share of each swimmer. Right? So, this is called share. So, this is all about the difficult words from the 9th and 10th point. I advise you to read the portion silently once. Okay.
Start.
Okay. Let us discuss 9th and 10th point in details. The unique attempt was made on 20 July 1992. So, Janki, that she waited for the event in her life, at last came, and that is on 20 July 1992, the unique event was held. My fight, said Janki, in course of the swim was against nature. That means on that day, nature was unfavorable for swimming across the English Channel. Nature did not favor her on that day. The channel waters are so cold that I needed much more energy than usual to keep my arms moving. She said, Janki said, the channel water was so cold that Janki needed much more energy than usual. You know, after arriving in the English Channel, Janki started practicing in the channel and she needed energy. But on that day, on the day of unique event, she needed much more energy than usual because nature was unfavorable on that day. Then I had the problem of my legs moving to the left or to the right, whichever way the waves were moving. You know, Janki's both the legs were crippled and they were not in her control. So the waves, wherever the waves were moving, the legs moved with the waves. Suppose I want to tell you, you see, Janki was swimming in that direction and the wind hit Janki from this side and the legs will move in this direction and the body of Janki move here. So she had to swim straight across the English Channel. But when the waves, the legs moved as per the moving of the waves, that created another problem for Janki in course of her attempt. So I really needed a lot of energy. So she said she needed a lot of energy to perform her unique event. The water was very salty and when it entered my mouth, I felt sick. She said, the salty water, while in course of swimming, she felt tired and salty water entered her mouth and she felt sick, means she started vomiting there. And then there were the seaweeds and jellyfish. These fish kept sticking to my body and I felt very uncomfortable. Another problem that created in the course of swim, that the seaweeds and jellyfish stuck to her body and she felt uncomfortable to swim in the channel. However, despite these problems, Janki successfully did her share of the relay. She swam for about 2 hours and helped the relay team cross the 36-kilometer channel in 14 hours and 45 minutes. 36-kilometer channel, 14 hours, 45 minutes. So 36-kilometer channel, the team had to swim and Janki did her share of swim and she swam for about 2 hours and she completed her share of swim. This is all about the 9th and 10th point we studied today. Let us discuss the question and answers, some of the question and answers from the 9th and 10th point. And before discussing, I would advise you to read the 2 points silently once. Okay, now see, when was the unique attempt made? The unique attempt was made on 20 July 1992. What problems did Janki face in course of her attempt? You know, it was an important question for you, a long question. Remember, first is nature. Nature was unfavorable for Janki. So the channel water was so cold that she needed much more energy than usual. Second is her paralyzed legs. The legs moved wherever the waves were moving. Third point, while swimming, sea water entered her mouth and started vomiting. Another problem was the seaweeds and jellyfish which stuck to her body and she felt very uncomfortable to swim. This is all about the lesson that of today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.